Hello guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you're watching this video from. Welcome to another tutorial on Hamster Kombat. Here we discuss everything concerning Hamster Kombat. We guide you on updates, details, tricks, and basic knowledge of everything Hamster Kombat. Remember to subscribe, like, and share. This helps us to know that the work we put into making these videos are really appreciated. Without wasting your time, let's get right into it. Today we'll be discussing about the newest updates Hamster Kombat are launching on the Ton blockchain. This is a very fantastic news because on the Ton blockchain it's going to provide more liquidity for Ton, and also we know that they're making progress to airdropping and paying us very soon. So the next thing we'll be talking about is the new Hamster Kombat update of 100,000. So we're just going to go straight into it under N. So a lot of people don't know that this update is available. So you just go watch the review. After watching it, you come back here and click on the check and you're able to redeem this 100,000 hamster token. Another thing we need to talk about, a lot of people don't collect a daily reward, and I really don't know why you would overlook the fact that you could just open your app and just redeem your daily reward, because that's free token for you. And also a lot of people didn't notice that I'm balling on 60 million. And finally, Hamster Kombat just made a new announcement, which is also the Hamster Kombat update, where you tap on N per tap. You have to tap that 3 times. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3. Good, we've entered into the daily cipher, and I'm going to flash the Morse code coding. Now the first thing you need to know, they said a long press will show dash, a short press will show a dot. So you hold to get your dash, you tap to get your dot, you hold to get your dash, and you tap to get your dot. So that's how you decipher the daily cipher. The word for today is Ethereum. E dot for E, dash for T, dot for H, dot for E, dot dash dot for R, dot again for E, dot dash for U, and finally dash, and we've gotten the 1 million. Alright guys, this is the end of today's tutorial. Hope you subscribe, like, and share to encourage us create videos like this, and see you in the next tutorial.